Welcome back. Look at what I found at my local Dollarama. It is official Barbie and it's a color reveal. And I think it's a Chelsea inside there. I don't know. I cannot wait to see. And it says there are 5 surprises. I have seen these at Walmart and they were a lot more than $5. Our Dollaramas now go up to $5. So for our friends in the US, that would be similar to your Five Below, or even your Dollar Tree $5 section. Our Dollar Tree here only goes up to $1.50. We don't have the $5 Dollar Tree yet, but these are from Dollarama. If you find these, let me know where you found them. Do you like these? Have you bought these at Walmart? What is your favorite one? Like, just fill me in on all of this about these. I am going to go ahead and get this open because I'm so excited. I love Barbie stuff. So like, you can feel it. I think this is the little tub. I just want to get right in there. It has a little pull tab. Look at that. I don't need scissors this time. Oh, look at that. So I guess these are the different colors and we have a purple one. So let's get that. Oh, there's instructions. Oh, look at these instructions. Okay. So there are 5 different ones. Purple, blue, pink, yellow, and then, I don't know, a pinkish purple? I am wondering, because there's a mermaid, are these going to be mermaid dolls? Because I don't think this is a Chelsea now. Look at how... that can't be the size of a Chelsea doll. It's too small. I thought I was going to get an actual Chelsea doll. I was all excited. Okay, I guess we're getting accessories. And then it shows you putting the water in. So this will be the bathtub, so we won't need something else. But there's a baby mermaid. We might not get a Chelsea, but we're going to get a baby? Oh, this will be perfect. My dream house that I have has a little nursery in it. That is going to look so cute. Okay, look at the detail on this. This is actually quite pretty. Look at all the detail here. Wow. Okay, flip it over. There's little tags. I don't know if that's just because they didn't seal it up, but these look like paper instead of plastic, which is fantastic because this little container is already plastic. Yeah, there's no way we're getting an actual Chelsea doll. I'm disappointed. But there's all of... Oh, this is like the bed or the, like, because there's the little pillow and it says Barbie right there and the stars, and this is the sea. So this, I guess if you sit it up this way, this is where the little mermaid sleeps. Oh, you know, I really thought I saw Chelsea color reveals when I was at Walmart, and that's why I was so excited to see these. But I think they're bigger. Because the Barbie ones, you know, those are really big. They are more similar to the 5 Ella or the Ella Fairy that we found. That was the color reveal. These are smaller. So let's go ahead and look at all of our little paper pouches. Maybe I'll look again and try to find an actual Chelsea color reveal. So this one here says to add water. So this is going to be our doll. And then these ones, see, don't add water. So it is a big amount of packaging. At least it's paper. But it does tell you, don't add water. Let's look at this one. This is something teeny tiny. It's right there. Don't add water. And then this one. Don't add water. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the 5th surprise? Is the 5th surprise the bed? 1, 2, 3, 4. It said 5. It said 5 surprises. Is the bathtub bed thing? Is this the 5th surprise? Oh, Barbie, you can do better than that. That's not nice. Well, I guess the first thing that we should do is let's put the water in this so that we can see the Barbie or the doll. I'm going to start by putting just a little bit of paper towel underneath. That way, we also have some paper towel to dry off the doll. And that way, if we make a mess, it's not too bad. Ooh. flip it that way so it looks nicer. And we'll open these ones once we look at it looking at you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a little mermaid. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe not for my Barbie's dream house because yeah, it's a mermaid. It really is a mermaid. And it's blue. I gotta say, compared to the knockoffs though, this powder, it's not rubbing off on me. That's impressive. And look at the little expression. I can't wait to see its eyes. So let's put that, I guess, laying in there, and I will add some water. Is it starting to come off? Oh, did you see that right away? The color change? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, see? Paper towel. This is why we needed paper towel. These toys can be messy. So we will let that soak off all of its color to reveal what's inside. And then we will open up these other three. Let's start with this big one. And go down. Or should we start with, let's start with the little flat one. And then we'll open the other two. So there's something right there. I could feel it. I really like that these are paper. Come on, what's in there? It's so tiny I can't get it out. Ah! Oh, shoot, I just flicked that right across. Oh my goodness. What is this? Is it a dress? Like do you see this? I guess it's a dress or a headband. I don't know. Okay. Okay. All right. Surprise number one. All right. We'll go with it. Let's open up this one. This one's got something hard. Oh my goodness. Are these like the LOL ones? Not at all. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. This one's good. So this is the bottle. There's the cutesy little bottle, and I guess it's going to fit right there into the mermaid's mouth. And are you seeing this now that I'm looking at this? The blue mermaid is turning purple. So now I'm wondering, did they give away the surprise? All the accessories are purple. Is it to match the purple bathtub? Do we even need color reveal if it's all going to be purple? As soon as you open the package, you're going to know you got the purple one. I don't think that was very smart of them. I don't know. I mean, I would still buy this as a gift to give to someone, but let's see. Here's the last one. All this package for this. Okay. It is, I'm guessing their little toy. Oh, but look at the detail. Can you see the detail right? Like, look right up in there. Really pretty. There's a lot of detail. I have to give Mattel and Barbie credit. There's always really good detail on Barbie accessories and Barbie toys. My fault I didn't read the packaging. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get an actual Chelsea, but again, that's my fault. So let's take a look at how this is doing. So cute. Do you know what though? I gotta say, there's no sponge. I think this would have been better with a little sponge. Okay, this is too blue. I'm just going to bring in clean water. No fancy bathtub. There. Let's just remove her. Make sure you wash your hands. So if you're giving this as a gift, make sure you wash your hands after because, ew, look, it's still stuck to her head. Okay, that'll be good enough. Let's see if we can dry her off a little bit. I am just going to move this out of the way. Okay, let's see if we can dry her off and see what we've actually got here. She still has some blue. Now, why she has a whole, look, There's still blue all in there. So she's going to need a really good scrub down. Do you know what's funny? Is the fairy surprise that we bought that wasn't by Mattel was also purple. So I don't know. Does my dollar store only have purple color reveals? That is something to think about. Okay, let's look at these instructions again. This is the skirt. This is the skirt. Look at it. Oh my. Okay, so you choose, should have read this first. You choose your mermaid. It's a surprise. Then you get either a bottle or a pacifier, and then an animal and a skirt. So this is the skirt because apparently all mermaid babies need skirts. Okay. All right, I see you. Okay. Oh, we have to soak her some more. And then the bottle. The bottle. There, with some force, you can get that bottle in. Okay, all right. And then she just sort of swims with her with her friend. All right, so, okay, cool. Would I buy this again? Honestly, I probably would. If I was giving this as a gift, I would. Now, what they're going to do with this afterwards, I don't know. I mean, I would give this to a gift to someone who likes Barbie and likes mermaids. Because if they have a mermaid Barbie, then this would be perfect because then they have a baby. But for someone who you're not sure of, I don't know. But yeah, definitely I would. Look at that. Oh, look. Oops. And then there's her little friend. Whoops. Maybe I should just, I don't know. There. I don't know. I think it's pretty cute. I like it. I'm happy. And it was only $5. I'm going to have to soak her a little bit more to get rid of all of this leftover blue. But all in all, Mattel Barbie, this was a win. I love it. And again, it was only $5. So make sure you look for them on sale. All right, guys. That is it for today. I'll see you next week. Bye.